Strawberries, nature's sweet red jewels. Strawberry. Strawberries are not just delicious, they're packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. Did you know? They're actually not true berries. Botanically, each tiny seed on the outside is a separate fruit. These heart-shaped beauties are loved worldwide, from fresh snacks to jams, cakes, and smoothies. And here's a fun fact. Strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside. Bright, juicy, and full of health. No wonder they're called the Queen of Fruits. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for amazing videos.